Hi, it's Andrew, the support manager at Growsdot. Let's talk about one of the most common challenges in customer communication: order updates. Manually sending shipping details or tracking numbers to every customer is not only slow but also prone to errors. That's where proactive campaigns can save you hours of work. With the CSV import feature and placeholders, you can send accurate and personalized updates to all your customers at once. Here, how it works. First, we need to open our Zendesk Admin Center to create a customer user field. Click Add Field, which is a number as we are creating the tracking number field. Provide the display name and copy field key. It will be important later. Also, we created one more field with the text type for shipping dates. Next, prepare your CSV file with customer names, emails, tracking numbers, and shipping dates. And remember, you can include as many custom fields as you need. Now, in Proactive Campaigns, you can start a new campaign. Here, go to Import User List. Upload your CSV file and map the tracking number and shipping date. Then, when writing your email, insert placeholders to add the right data dynamically. As a reference, use the placeholder ticket requester custom field here, where instead of field key, we inserted tracking numbers and shipping dates. As you can see, the placeholders work both in subject line and in the email body. Continue with your campaign setup and run it. And here's the result. Every customer receives the same email template, but with their own unique tracking number filled in automatically. So instead of sending hundreds of individual emails, let Proactive Campaigns handle it for you. With data variation and CSV import, you can keep every customer informed with accurate and personalized updates.
Hope this was helpful and see you next time.